other one coming. It's coming behind. The cap.
Oh shit. That's why you went back.
I lost where the calf is though.
I'm very surprised because where the big male is.
Yeah? You dropped
The
it.
young male, no, he's just in the bush on the left.
So how'd that young male get it instead of the big male?
I'm surprised the big boy is not going for it.
This one little buffalo calf isn't going to feed it by flying. You can't see it though, right?
Uh-uh.
Ya lo quise coser yo. Elle est où l'autre derrière?